I'm just following you in the light of my camera. If anyone here wants to follow us, feel free.
We're going away from the Folly now.
I think that was my bag hitting a branch, but something happened behind me.
Yeah. You know I knew a tree.
No, but when I came under there, I may have been. I don't know.
Under that thing.
I don't think. No, I didn't touch that. Definitely.
Go back there.
There's nothing here, is there? It's clear. I was here, and I heard what sounded like quite a solid footstep behind me. But there's no trees. I thought there must have been a bush or something that brushed against my bag, but there isn't. Okay, you've impressed me. Now stand in front of the camera. Or follow us over there and you can talk to Trina and Angie.